Oh no. Restore the fruit to its original condition and position. That's impossible now. Closest resemblance wins. You have 10 minutes. Your time starts now. Hey, Felix. This is what we're gonna do. Okay. Let's see. This big solution is not working. The skewers should work. I feel like I'm starting to feel the pressure.
You have 7 minutes left.
This feels a lot more solid. Ouch. Something needs to go right there. The pineapple can be held up by the bananas. I think that's how it was. Okay, now the pineapple shouldn't fall down again. I don't remember how it was except for the blueberries in the middle. I think they were kind of in triangles like that. Put the strawberry hat back on the strawberry. And I think I ate that. That's a navel orange tag. Everything was on the board. I don't think there was anything that wasn't on the board.
1 minute.
There we go. 10 seconds, you said? Okay. I think I'm pretty happy with it.
All right. I've got another mystery.
I'm about to eat myself.
Restore the fruit to its original condition and position. Closest resemblance wins. That's rude. That is very rude because I destroyed it.
All right. I plucked all the things out of them. All right. Okay.
Chris, you're a jerk.
Let me duct tape. Ta-da! Beautiful. Look at that. That's perfection. You want to buy some fresh fruit? It's ready to go.